up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This your boy Jay Reed for Jay Reed's Love of Cars. So check this out. Went to the track last weekend, not this past weekend, weekend before last, and had a terrible time. Why did I have a terrible time? Nitrous wouldn't work at all. But I think I finally got it fixed. Well, in fact, I know I got it fixed. But in the process of fixing it, had a little problem, and I'm gonna show you what happened. So let's pop the hood. You know, this is something else I gotta fix. Look at this. I don't know if y'all can see this. Look at this hub. It's loose. I'm gonna have to put some Loctite to keep that in. Otherwise, the steering wheel is gonna have to come out. Time is of the essence. Let's see if y'all ready for this. So while I was out testing the nitrous on a 175 hit, and I disconnected my RPM controller, and this would happen. Yes, guys. I had a nitrous backfire, and it blew up my intake. This is why you gotta know what you're doing when you're dealing with nitrous. I hope my math sensor is still okay. I got another one if it's not. It blew that to shit. Look at that. That is no good. So I'm gonna put on my old one for now. And I still have that new one, but I didn't want to put it on right now. It blew that straight out. Look at that. This is toast. Toast, folks. Let's disconnect this. Get that out the way. This bad boy is toast. Let's make sure I didn't mess up my throttle body. The blades. Can y'all see that? Yep, throttle body looks fine. This is a fairly new BBK throttle body. I don't even remember. But this intake is toast. The intake is actually fine, to tell you the truth. All I need is another coupler. This coupler just blew off. This one's busted. So I can easily get another coupler to fix that. But never mind the wiring. I had to untidy everything while I was working on it. So what did I learn from this? So here's what I learned. Number one, nitrous is a blast. So I was testing this on the street, and as I was testing it on the street, I had wheel spin. Oh, it was glorious. It even kind of scared me a little bit because that Foxbody is not used to that much wheel spin, I'll tell you that. So I had wheel spin, and if I recall, when I got off the gas, that's when it popped. So I guess it puddled. So I don't know, 175 may be too much. I'll probably take it back down to 150, keep it safe. But that sure was fun because I never really did have any issues with 150. So I'm thinking the 175 puddle, because I know I was well over 3,000 RPMs, unless it puddled before I hit 3,000 and then the backfire came after. I don't know, but you know, I kind of want to do it again, but I feel like I'm pressing my luck. So I'll probably drop it back down to 150 to be on the safe side. Now, what did I learn from this? I think I already said that. That shit was fun. I ain't gonna lie. It was fun watching the flames come out of the hood. I thought I had blew the motor up, but I was kind of close to the house, so it didn't really matter. I would have just tiptoed it on to the crib and assessed the damage and eventually fixed it. So, but all I know is I sent it. It was all good and dandy. I floored it. You know, I came around this turn, the normal place that I do the testing at. I came around the turn, I floored it. Man, that bad boy was getting jiggy with it, and I was manually shifting the AOD too. So hell, I probably even could have. That may be what happened. I probably could have. The RPMs probably could have been too high because I didn't have my RPM window switch on to detect it, because I did have a lot of wheel spin, and so I'm trying to manage the wheel spin, feel the nitrous, and shift gears at the same time. So who knows, that could have been the problem, but either way it go, we're gonna get it fixed. But in the meantime, it was glorious. Ooh, looks like this popped off too. Damn, it backfired all down there. I don't even know where the rest of that is. Oh, there we go. My vent. All of this shit popped off. I really need to see what else did I mess up. Look at this. This should give you an idea of, I don't think this was there. But maybe that was there from the track. I don't know. It could have been there from the track and not yesterday. Not real sure. So anyway, folks, so that was my yesterday, and that also pretty much wraps up my weekend at the track, which was last weekend. Turbo time, only got 2 passes in because it was just packed. It was super packed. But I need to hook this RPM switch back up, and I don't know if I can go any lower on the window switch, because I don't want to do that at the track for sure. I can't be toting around extra damn intakes. But anyway, this your boy Jay Reed. Like, comment, and subscribe. Peace.